To change font style on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening Settings. Right now you will have to go below for Display and Brightness settings, and right now you have to go into the font. Now we will be redirected into the store where we can actually find some fonts. So for example, if I want to get free font, I have to go here and input free phrase. Now as you can see, for some reason it couldn't actually connect to the network, so I will go back and go for this one, and here I will have to try to search something that is free, but it's not. So I believe that we have to go for the new. Yeah, here we can find a lot of free fonts. So if I would like to apply this one, I have to click on it, I have to click free, and now as you can see, after a few moments it will be available to the download. So you have to click apply, and now as you can see, the font of our phone has changed.